So today we're going to talk about states of matter. So if you look at the first picture on the left, you'll see solids. They're tightly packed together and they're maintaining a shape. The liquid in the middle are still pretty tightly packed together, but they're starting to take the shape container, and the gases on the right are spreading out everywhere. So the cool thing about this is that in between the stages, you actually have phase changes where the molecules are rearranging. So if you look at this picture where you see those flat lines, those are actually the places where, if you look from the blue to the green, the molecules are rearranging from a solid to a liquid. So we're doing a really fun experiment today talking about the saturation of water. And what we're going to do is we are going to take a plain water bottle and put it in the freezer. So I ended up putting this in for about 2 hours, and during that time I checked it. I did use a deep freezer in my basement instead of my freezer that pulls out, because if you jostle it, it can actually activate the reaction. So what happens is, in order for those molecules to rearrange just like we saw in the solid stage, they actually need some kind of seeding or activation. Eventually they will, once you release enough energy. We're actually removing energy when we're taking it from a liquid to a solid. So once they've released enough energy, what you're able to do is you actually pound the water bottle, and you will see it instantly crystallizing from the top to the bottom, because that gives it enough energy to start the reaction. And we did this last night. My daughters tried it again this morning, and it actually worked pretty well. The most important thing though is that you need to use filtered water. So any kind of bottled water will work. It doesn't have to be a specific brand. But a filtered water will work, because otherwise if you get water from the sink, there's different minerals and things in it that will actually start the activation or start the seeding. So you want to make sure that you are using just a regular water bottle, and then I hope you really enjoy seeing what happens at the end. Watch. Look at the top. The whole bottle is ice. Just by that. So it's super cool. So as soon as I hit it, it released energy, and the molecules bump, and now the entire thing is frozen.
Wait, can I?
There's a teeny bit of slushy in there.
Wait, can I drink it?
We can drink it.
Can I drink it?
Yeah, but not right now.
Alright.
Right.
Wait, can I try?